Hello everybody, welcome back to Throttle Grotto. I have bought a car sight unseen and it arrives today. What is it and how bad off is it? You and I are both going to find out today on this episode of Throttle Grotto. Alright, so one of the caveats to this project is that I really didn't need another project. I still have the Rabbit to finish up at this time. I still have the Mitsubishi to finish up, and the Datsun, which is parked sideways in the back of this bay right now, still needs a little bit of work to be a driver. So I've got a lot of things to do before I get on to this new project. But I started the search for a new project, and one of my friends reached out to me from out of state and said, hey, I think you should buy this car. This guy that is selling it is super legit, and he's not going to steer you wrong. And the price was right. So there's been a few mornings where I've woken up and gone, what am I doing? I'm insane. But then I remembered I do YouTube and I like cars, and it seems like the thing to do is just to buy more cars. So I'm officially out of room though, so there will be no more cars coming until I liquidate something, which I don't have any plans to. So this is it for a while. Now, if the channel takes off and I get warehouse space somewhere, then things might be different. So now we wait. Now we just wait for the car to show up and see what I ended up with. I know what I bought, and I have a pretty good idea of the condition it's in, but haven't seen it.
Here it is. It's a Porsche 928.
All right, everybody, so I've got different clothes on, which means it obviously took me a few days to get back to showing you guys the 928, but we're going to check it out right now. So here it is, kind of pushed halfway out of the garage. So this is a 81 Porsche 928. As you can see, it's pretty rough, but it's not as bad as it looks. The exterior has been prepared for paint pretty much from the doors back. The rear side markers have been shaved. Roof has been sanded. Doors have been sanded. This front fender and so both the front fenders have had their side markers shaved. The front bumper has been sanded. There's been a few little pieces like welded up here, since these fenders are aluminum. I've got the hood and another hatch over here. I've got boxes of parts kind of everywhere for it right now. The whole back of the car is filled with parts. I've got a big old bin of parts up here for it. The engine right now is just sitting in here. It's literally like just barely sitting in the engine compartment. So that's got to come out and get a few things done for it. At that point, I'll paint the whole engine compartment. I got more parts that I have to store kind of on or under or around the car. But the real cool part about this car is the interior. So it is a no sunroof car, 5-speed. Sport seats, which are in really nice condition. They were actually recovered. The dash has been recovered. It's got new carpet inside. The door panels are in great shape. It's got the 930 turbo, if I'm not mistaken, steering wheel, which was actually an option on this car. And like I said, tons of spare parts in the trunk. So I have like this is actually the fuse panel. If you've never seen a 928 fuse panel before, they're massive. But nuts and bolts, fans, timing gears, all kinds of stuff. I haven't even been through all of these boxes yet. I have no idea what this is. This looks like an air gun of some kind. So, yep, trim, interior trim, exterior trim, all kinds of stuff. The panels that go on the inside of the hatch here. So definitely a lot to do, but it's a pretty good, solid start for a project. So just like the Mitsubishi, I think I have nearly everything to put this car back together, minus some maintenance parts and a few other things that we're going to do. I'm going to pull the engine out, I'm going to do head gaskets, I'm going to do oil pan gaskets, that kind of stuff, just maintenance stuff to do along the way. And I'm sure there's going to be tons more to do on the car to get it back to a running and driving state. So let me know what you think of the 928 project. Let me know what you want to see from the project, and hopefully it's going to be a lot of fun for both of us to watch, and it's going to be really awesome to drive when it's done. Until next time, get out there and work on something.